Hi everyone, I'm back. So I'm heading out to Magic Kingdom just to see any updates on any of the new lands that are coming in. You probably heard there's a Villains Land, there's a new Cars Land. So yeah, let's go check it out. I'm gonna bring you with me.
Favor de permanecer sentados, con las puertas cerradas, manteniendo sus manos, brazos, pies y piernas adentro, mientras el tranvía está en movimiento. Y vigilen a sus niños. Gracias.
Once again, folks, welcome aboard the Villains Courtesy Tram, taking you guys up out of Captain Hook, row 324, taking you up on the Transportation and Ticket Center, gateway to the Magic Kingdom. Once there, you're still about a mile and a half away from the park, but don't worry, we're not going to make you walk. We do have our monorail system, the highway in the sky, the ferry boat, which they get across the sidewalk in the lagoon. The Magic Kingdom is open until 11 o'clock, until 11 p.m. Final tram will run 90 minutes after the park closes. That's the last tram leaving the station at 12:30 in the morning. Once inside for your entertainment, at 3 o'clock this afternoon, we have our Festival of Fantasy Parade. Later at 8:15 and again at 7:30, we have our Disney Starlight Dreamland Getaway Parade. Guys, just make sure you stay back behind those poles for us. Wait till we cross in front of you. Once again, guys, wait back behind those poles. Do not walk in the tram lane. Back behind the poles for us, please, guys. Thank you so much. Just wait till we cross.
There goes the train. How pretty it looks. All right, let's see what's going on in here. Today's March 31st, just so you can get a sense of why the crowd is crowding. It's spring break, so it's a pretty busy day. That's a huge group. Just finished watching the Philharmonic Band. They're awesome. I love them. All right, let's see what's going on over here.
Here, Mom.
Don't know if you know, but the castle is back to its OG colors. So the soft grays and the blues. The blues look more brighter than they used to. Let me know in the comments. Do you like it back to the OG colors, or you'd rather have the pink and blue for the 50th that they had? I like it. I think it's pretty.
Is there a show about to start?
I think so. I just saw the smoke. I think the show's about to start. Let's see. The 50th statues are still around. Here's Daisy and here's Donald. Such a pretty day. Let's see.
Welcome to the magical Friendship Fair!
Hi, everyone! I'm so glad you're here!
You are great!
This is wonderful!
Welcome home to the place where the stories come alive. For a child inside, so much more than you see, so much more than a dream before your eyes. Tomorrow is brighter than you can imagine. Come on, take my hand, believe you can fly. There's hope and a wish, and on we go to the place we all belong.
You're still working on it and the moat's empty. So it's not completely done, but it's almost there. How cute are they? Thunder Mountain is still behind walls. The walls go on for miles and miles and miles. Some work going on back there. Can't really see much. But it should be opening soon. Big Thunder Mountain. But the rest is gonna take a while. Big Thunder Mountain Railroad closed until further notice. So I have a confession to make. I have not gotten on Tiana's Bayou Adventure. Have you? Let me know in the comments if you've gotten on. Like I said, the walls keep going for miles and miles. Look at that. Who's excited for the new Cars Land? I am. I miss Tom Sawyer, but I'm excited. I'm excited for new things. Some on this side as well. The walks keep going. So they start all the way at Great Thunder Mountain, and we're almost at the Haunted Mansion. Even the mansion is getting a little upgrade. So you can see right there, the walls end right there. That's a Haunted Mansion. And then the mansion is also getting a refurb. So there's a lot of changes going on here at Magic Kingdom. Here's another view of the castle where you can see the water's all emptied out, the moat. Just construction going on still.
Yeah, it looks like the Robins are getting ready to celebrate Valentine's Day today. What year is it? Oh, right around the turn of the century. And believe me, things couldn't be any better than they are today. Yes, sir, buildings are towering now as high as 20 stories. And moving pictures flicker up on a big screen. We have almost 8,000 automobiles in this country, and we can travel by train from New York to California in less than 7 days. And I even hear tell about 2 brothers from North Carolina who are working on some kind of flying contraption. It'll never work. Closer to home, we've now got gas lamps, a telephone, and the latest design in cast iron stoves. And that reservoir keeps 5 gallons of water hot in just 3 buckets of coal. Oh boy, it sure beats chopping wood. And isn't our new ice box a beauty? Look at that, holds 50 pounds of ice. Milk doesn't sour as quick as it used to. And our dog Rover here keeps the water in the drip pan from overflowing. It wasn't too long ago we had to carry a bucket of water handy to prime it with. Yes, sir, we've got everything we need to make life easier. Say, Mother, I was reading about a fellow named Tom Edison who's working on an idea for snap-on electric lights.
Electric lights? No more kerosene, no more gas.
Sarah sure gets to the core of the apple.
But we do have this new wash day garden. Now it takes me only 5 hours to do the wash. Imagine, it used to take 2 days.
Well, that's right, folks. Now Sarah has time for other things like
canning and cleaning the oven.
Yes, dear.
Instead of just cleaning itself now.
I know, dear. And they probably never will.
Now, if you'll excuse me, the laundry will be done before it starts raining cats and dogs.
Don't worry, Rover. She didn't mean real dogs. Besides, it's not going to rain today. My lumbago isn't acting up.
I'm not going to say I hope so.
Boy, look at it come down. All you have to do is put your wash on the line, right? Oh well, the cistern was low anyway.
Wow-wee, look at that.
Now, James, I thought I told you to ask my permission before using my new stereoscope. That's not a toy, you know.
Ooh la la. So that's little Egypt doing the hoochie coochie, eh, Dad?
Isn't she a knockout? She's the star of the new World's Fair in St. Louis, and you put that away before your mother finds it.
Aw, Dad.
You heard me. Well, we have one of those new talking machines. Now that is something. It plays music right here in our home.
Oh, Papa!
Yes, Patricia?
Papa, all these people! I'm indecent.
Don't worry, Patricia. They're friends. That's our teenage daughter. She's getting ready to go to a Valentine's dance across town on one of those new horseless trolleys.
I think it's very romantic you're taking Mother out for Valentine's dinner this evening.
Well, you know what kind of sport I am.
I only hope I have an evening as romantic as yours and Mother's.
Now, you be home by 9 o'clock, daughter. You hear me?
Yes, Papa.
Oh, well, with all this talking, I've worked up quite a thirst. I think I'll take one of those newfangled trolleys down to the drugstore soda fountain and meet the boys for a cold sarsaparilla. Oh, I'm sorry, I forgot. We're drinking root beer now. Same kind of thing, different name. Well, that's progress for you. And speaking of progress, there's a great, big, beautiful tomorrow. shining at the end of every day. There's a great big beautiful...
This is the TTA Blue Line. Non-stop service.
Greetings, intergalactic travelers. Welcome aboard the People Mover, presented by Enterprise. I'm Borak 5, your guide aboard this highway in the sky, the absolute best way to see Tomorrowland. And my stars, is there ever lots to see? From spacecraft to monster labs, there's really nothing like today in Tomorrowland.
For your safety, if you have wings, jetpacks, or gravity polarizers, please do not take flight while on board. Thank you.
The next station is Tomorrowland Urban Planning and Star Traders. Transfer to green and red lines.
Don't worry, your express train keeps on rolling through the future, right by two of my favorite spots. First up, Progress City, Walt Disney's amazing dream for a community of tomorrow. Did you know Progress City inspired Epcot and a lot of the visionary ideas throughout Walt Disney World? Look, there's even a tiny people mover. I wonder if that means there's a tiny mover. On your right is Star Traders, home to the greatest goods in the galaxy. Except actual stars. Those are ours.
Now approaching Tomorrowland Speedway and Tron Light Cycle Run.
I love a good circuit, and these are two of the best tracks of the cosmos for a bit of light, speedy competition.
Attention all visitors from Galaxy M31. Please keep forward-facing tentacles clear of oncoming vehicles. Thank you.
Have you ridden Tron? I haven't.
Attention all visitors from Galaxy M31. Please keep forward-facing tentacles clear of oncoming vehicles.
This is Starboard 75.
Or as we locals call it, Space America. Our high-speed rocket point just the deep space destinations.
Let relaxation wash over you at the most refreshing retreat in the galaxy, the coral moons of Pisces 7. You H2O it to yourself. Book today.
Morrow, Mr. Tom Morrow, please contact Mr. Johnson in the control tower to confirm your flight to the moon. Thank you. Attention all visitors from Galaxy M31. Please keep forward-facing tentacles clear of oncoming vehicles. Thank you.
To your right is the Astro Orbiter, our celestial symbol of interplanetary harmony and fellowship. Hop aboard and launch high above Tomorrowland for a spin amongst the planets.
station is Walt Disney's Carousel of Progress.
As usual, moving ahead, and so does the carousel. Like progress itself, this theater never stops, inspiring new generations to dream of a great, big, beautiful tomorrow.
Calling all space rangers. Report to your star cruiser and join me on this daring space mission against the evil Emperor's Herd.
Affirmative. We're on it, Buzz. You can count on us. Whether you have one eye or nine, take the time to see this show.
Now approaching Tomorrowland Transit Authority Station.
My fellow sentient life forms, our People Mover journey has nearly come full orbit. Thanks for riding with us. It's been a pleasure to have you aboard. And even though we're concluding, this is always my favorite part. Because now is the time. Now is the best time to go out and explore tomorrow. Today. See you in the future.
Well, that's it, guys. That was my day at Magic Kingdom. So if you watched this far, thank you so much for watching. We saw all the walls. There's a lot of walls at Magic Kingdom. So if you have any plans on coming down here to Walt Disney World in Florida, just keep in mind that Magic Kingdom, there's a lot going on. It's for the good. A lot of new things coming, but just keep that in mind. So till the next one. Bye.